Hey everyone, Dalen with another random making encounter, and this is going to be a fairly short one because I'm just getting started on a new project and I needed a better solution for video playback. I'm doing another Pepper's Ghost and I never really loved the solution that I had for my Haunted Mansion Nook. It wasn't something that I could leave on and let run for an extended period of time because I was using the small playback, the portable device. So for this project, what I'm going to be looking at is this 7-inch screen that is usually used for Raspberry Pi projects. And I'm going to pair that with a little video player. The nice thing about these just use standard HDMI cables and USB-C. They're both 5-volt powered, so they run off the same voltage. And so it makes for a very simple and compact solution, hopefully. Now I'm going to take a quick look at what's inside the box here just to see, I'm curious mostly, but I'm not sure if I want to keep it inside or do some hard wiring to the actual circuit board. It's a very nice, clean circuit board, very professional, looks really sharp, doesn't look too funky or janky, so that's a good sign. We'll kind of keep that case or no case open for later. To connect these, they use standard HDMI cables. I'll probably pick up a couple of longer cables or a longer cable that has the right angle at the right angle to make sure that everything fits and the cables run nicely in the Nook when I get it in place. Really simple though. The nice thing is these are both 5 volts, and so I don't have to mess with different voltages. I'm going to be running some looping video from Atmosphere. I really love their stuff. This is not a paid endorsement. They just make cool videos for Halloween and for projects like this. And since they're rear projection videos, they're perfect for Pepper's Ghost effects. So this is a snippet of the video that I'm going to be using. Now that I have a solution for the video screen and playback, I need to think about the geometry of the Nook. So what, for example, is the distance from the front to the first wall or the first opening, so that when I look through the opening of the Nook, I don't see any of this video screen. I can't see that edge. I can't see the screen. Another consideration is that the monitor needs to be at basically a 45-degree angle to this reflective material. That's just going to be a thin sheet of plastic like this. Thinner, the better. When I'm positioning the plastic, it needs to be at a 45-degree angle to the screen, but it also needs to be really close and tucked into the screen so that it gives the illusion of this little object in the back being behind and the ghost is floating in front. So everything you can do to kind of bring that all in and get it close to the screen really helps with that. All of these little lines, all these little angles, all these edges need to be hidden so that you don't see them when you're looking in the Nook. Another thing that you want to think about is having space behind where you can put objects in the back, which allows that to be floating or sitting behind the ghost, and then also have areas that you can look around and see different parts of the back. Okay, I'm pretty happy with this layout. I think that I'm going to post up some dimensions here, and at this point the next step is really to just make the thing. So stay tuned for that video, like and subscribe and all of that great stuff if you find this helpful, if you're excited for this next Pepper's Ghost Nook. And I'm just going to leave you with a few jump scares to round out this video. So please enjoy, and it's always good to see you.